Hello students, today we are going to learn something about concentration of an acid. Yes, and dilution of an acid, dilution of concentrated acid. First, acids. Yes, all of you know definition of acid. What is the meaning of an acid? Acids are substance, a chemical substance that release hydronium ion in its aqueous solution called acid. Next, concentration of an acid. What is the meaning of concentration of an acid? Concentration means actually the amount of acid. Here, this is amount of acid present in definite amount of its aqueous solution. Okay, dilution of concentrated. Next, what is dilution of concentrated acid? Yes, mixing of acid with water to convert acid, concentrated acid into dilute acid. Yes, हमने किस में convert किया है? This concentrated acid converted into dilute acid. Concentrated acid means an acid which has high concentration या फिर high amount of acid compared to the water plus less water. And dilute acid means less acid plus high water. So simply how can we convert? By addition of water. But what happens when water added to acid? Yes, what is the correct method to convert a concentrated acid into dilute acid? Addition of water to acid or addition of acid to water? Yes, first dilution is highly exothermic process. What happens when this acid dissolve in water? Yes, HCl, for example, HCl. This is a H present in form H having a partial positive charge and partial negative charge. Chloride having a partial negative charge due to difference of electronegativity. Yes, as soon as this acid dissolve in water, yes, this because hydrogen having partial positive charge, it attracted the negatively charged oxygen of water molecule, and chloride having a negative charge, hence it attract the positively charged hydrogen atom. Yes, eventually what happened? Then the force of attraction towards water responsible to separate the HCl into H ion and chloride ion. Yes, as soon as this HCl dissolved in water, it converted into H ion and chloride ion. This H ion attracted towards water molecule towards oxygen, and chloride ion attracted towards water through this oxygen. And there is a force of attraction. Yes, due to this force of attraction, this process is exothermic in nature. Force of attraction increases, energy released. Yes, hence hydration of acid. This process is called hydration. Interaction of ions with the water molecule called hydration. Hence hydration of acid is exothermic in nature. This is clear why hydration is exothermic in nature? Because H ions are strongly attracted towards water molecules, and due to force of attraction between the ions and water responsible for the releasing energy. Hence hydration is exothermic in nature. Next, now how can we convert this concentrated acid into dilute acid? Here there are two methods, either acid added to water or water added to acid. First, water added to acid. Yes, if we add water into acid, then acid should be taken in this beaker, acid present in large amount and water in a small amount. Yes. Now during addition what happened? As soon as this water added to acid, water comes with the contact of acid. This water comes with the contact of acid. Due to hydration take place, high amount of energy is released. This energy absorbed by this water and converted into water vapors. When water vapors comes out with acid, responsible for this water vapors, yes, comes out with acid, responsible for acid burn or other accidents. Yes, what happened? देखो, water plus acid, high amount of heat is released. Heat absorbed by water and convert into water vapor. Water vapor comes out with acid, splash with acid, cause acid burn. Then next method, addition of acid to the water. Now water is in large amount. When we added acid, again now this is acid. Yes, acid drop by drop. As soon as acid comes with the contact of water, what happened? Again it release high amount of heat. But there is a large amount of water and this heat absorbed by water with continuous stirring. Stirring, what is the purpose of this stirring? Equal distribution of heat in water. Yes, acid plus water, high amount of heat is released. Heat absorbed by water with continuous stirring because water is in large amount. Uniform distribution of heat and dilution of acid take place. Yes, this is clear. So what is the correct method of dilution of concentrated acid? Addition of acid to water, not water to acid. Clear?